How to animate on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can animate on Canva. For that, you will have to open your Canva application on your mobile device and you will be taken to this home page. Here, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, then select a photo you want to animate. Click on the photo and below you will see some customization options here. Swipe left and you will find the animation icon. Click on it to open the animation options. Here you can choose from a range of animations to apply to your photo. Select the animation you want to add. Once you have selected it, you can further customize it by clicking on the same animation again. Here you will see options to add the animation on entry, exit or both. To spy with the animation, click on download button at the top right corner of the screen to save your creation to your device. And that's it. You have successfully animated on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.